Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy acetic acid. This is part 3, quick recall. Here we are going to recall in a summary all the important features of this remedy, and this is very important for quick revision of the drug. So let us go for constitutional characteristics. Somatically or physically, it is best suited to children and old people who have face pale, waxy, lean, lax, flabby muscles, and best for marasmus of children. Thermal affinity is patient is chilly. Side affinity ambilateral. Psyche, it has a temperament which is predominantly nervous. Mental aspect goes in favor of irritability and anxiousness. Dreams are not important. Desire, patient is thirsty, and aversion for cold drinks and salts. Second important point is the causation. So, diathesis is inherent important predisposition in this remedy is for hemorrhages, dropsy, and malignancy. Ailments from the exciting causes are stings, surgical shock, anesthetics, charcoal gas, and injuries. General characteristics include patient is very thirsty. Very peculiar is no thirst during fever. Cough is excited while inhalation. A red spot on left cheek is characteristic. Salivation very marked. Wasting and debility. Burning pains. Patient sweats too much. Night sweats are there. Marasmus. Emaciation with dropsy. Bleeding from different orifices of body. The very characteristic is cannot sleep lying on back, and he finds sleeping better on abdomen. Diarrhea is very copious and exhausting. Important relationship of this remedy includes it antidotes the anesthetic vapors, charcoal gas, and stings. We have general modalities, aggravation lying on back and better lying on belly. The predominant miasm is pseudosura, sorosyphilitic medicine, and clinically we have important conditions like anemia, diabetes, dropsies, phthisis, stings, and CA stomach. Thank you very much for patient listening.